Hi, this is Fran with Stampendous, and we're featuring some of our new July release beautiful classic Christmas designs. And this board has some beautiful mini slim designs or the large standard slim size. And so many of these larger designs were intended so that if you wanted to make a card out of one section and another one out of the other part of it, it kind of has a dividing spot one way through the middle. And here you can see the chickadee was used in a different way on this beautiful card. So I wanted to show you up close here. This card was embossed, and you can see all of that beautiful sparkle and shine that's been added to each of these embossing powder colors. And we have this new Holly Days 5-jar kit. All the colors are listed there on the side. And you get a great value in the 5-jar kit, but you can also get any of those colors sold separately in the larger jars as well. And this is really an easy technique that I've done on this card. I took some double-sided adhesive and I mounted it on just a white card, and then it has liner on both sides. So if you get a hold of the second liner, I simply folded it back and even used the grid to fold it back at a 45-degree angle, and then I can apply, I'll just press it there on the edge. Then I was able to dust it with the first color and then pull it back further, bend it a second time to add each of the next colors, and then I worked from the other end as well, recovering each section, and I did the white last down through the middle. So very easy technique and fun to do. And I'll just mention this little card was made with our new clear stamp sets. There are 2 of them, and the messages give you lots of different messages so that you can select just the right one to send to your family and friends at the holidays.